In this video, I am going to show you how to create a simple and clean website that you can use to sell any product. Any product. When I say any product, I mean any product. You can build this website and host it for free. Why? Because we're going to be using new Google site to build this website, okay? I'm going to be designing one of example with the t-shirt product, but you can still use the same layout to sell any type of product like toys or whatever you want to sell, all right? So at the end of this video, we're gonna have a website looking like this, all right? Very clean, and of course it's hosted for free, all right? You don't need to pay anything, no maintenance fee like on other software, all right? So if you are new to this channel and have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my future video, all right? So with that being said, let's dive in. And to get started, all you need is to have a Google account. So let's dive into Google account. Let's log into our Google. And once you log into your Google account, click on this nine dot and then click on the drive, or you can directly go to your drive. And once you're on your drive, just click on this new tab and then click on more and then Google Sites. What you need to do first is to choose a theme that you want to use for your website. So I'm going to click on the themes and then scroll down, just choose any theme that you want to use. I'm going to be using this one. And when you choose theme, you have to select color. You can click here to put your custom color code, or you can pick up color from here, but I'm going to use this yellow. And then I'm gonna click on yellow, and then the next thing I want to do is to add my logo. All right, I haven't got any logo design, but if you got your logo, just click here to upload your logo and the favicon. So now I'm gonna just type in logo as a test. Okay, so I'm gonna your logo goes here. All right, the next thing I want to do is to put cover image, or the header image. All right, so you're gonna click here, upload from your computer, select one from Google. So I got one downloaded from the free stock website, so I'm gonna click upload right here, and I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna start adding my test content. All right, so I'm gonna add test here as a title. So I got test already, so I'm gonna go and copy the test. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here and copy the test and then paste it here. I'm gonna move it down a bit. Now I got another test to put right here. So to do that, just simply click insert and click on the test box. So I got test. I'm gonna copy the test right now again. Okay, I'm gonna paste the test. And I might want to put a little bit of background color on this test. So I'm gonna click on this icon, session background, and I'm gonna select this one. So I'm gonna put another test area here, like call it like future, okay, future product, something like that. So I'm gonna you can double click and use test box here. I'm gonna go and copy the test. I'm just copying the test just to be quick. You can manually type the test if you want. So now next thing I want to do, I want to display some product right here, like feature product right here, or image, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose a layout that match what I want to do. So I'm gonna choose this layout, this one right here. Click on it. Now I'm gonna try to insert some image, upload image here, or you can as well put video if you want to put video. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put image on this two and then put video on this one. So here I'm gonna click here, upload. I got one on my computer, so I'm gonna upload this image. Choose, okay. And here I'm gonna upload another image. Can be this one. click on it and uncrop. And this one, I'm gonna upload this one. All right, so I might as well put another image here, or maybe another video. So to do that, if you want to put a video, you can scroll down here. I see YouTube, click on the YouTube, and then you can select you can now search the video you want to put. So for example, I'm gonna put t-shirt. Let's see what we'll go here. This one, and then click, and then what I'm gonna drag it over here. So I'm gonna try to stretch this one down. So the next thing I want to do is to put a button here. All right, so you got button here, Google element button here that you can use. You can just click it and then put a button here. But I've got a custom coded button that I want to use for this purpose. All right, so I'm gonna embed the button. So I'm gonna go and copy the button code and come here and embed it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to go and copy my code, and then to embed it, just double click and use embed icon here, click on it and embed code, then paste your code and then click next and then insert. So I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller and then move it at the center. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put a divider right here. So to put a divider, just click on divider. So now I'm gonna add another section of image here and some text. So the image, I'm gonna click here, double click, and then upload image from your computer. So I'm gonna just put this one, and then I'm gonna stretch it a little bit. And I'm gonna put text here, and to put text here, you can just double click and then click on the text. So I got text I need to copy. I'm gonna paste it here. I got another text I need to copy as well. Paste it here. And right here, I want to put a background color right here. So I might want to click on this icon, and you can choose any background you want to put here. If you want to upload background from your computer, use upload from Google. You can search for a background image from Google as well when you select this one. Now I'm gonna just select one from the theme. Okay, so I'm gonna click the yellow one, and then it's gonna be my background color. Next, I wanna put another text right here, but before I do that, I wanna put some divider as well. So I'm gonna put divider right here, and I'm gonna put another text area here. So I'm gonna double click, and I'm gonna put some text. So, and I'm gonna put the same background, and I'm gonna put another divider right here. So the next thing I want to do here is to add another image product section as well. Display a product. You can display another feature product or best selling product, or you can as well display a product that is on sale as well right here. So to do that, you want to go back here and select some layouts that you want to use. If you want to use for image, you can use these ones, or three products, you can use this. So I'm going to use this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to just write the text, the name of the product, and the price goes on this one. So here I'm going to paste the text. So I'm going to put the price like this, and I can delete this one. Okay, delete this one, delete this one. So I'm gonna go and copy the last text, and I'm gonna paste it right here. So the next thing I want to do here is to upload the product image. Click here, upload, and I can choose this one. The next one, upload. I can choose this one, and the last one, upload. I can do this one. So right now, if this product is on sale, you can put sell price here as well. If this one is $29.99, I can put something like, just need to pull out some gap like that. You can put this one maybe $9.99 and put sign, and then you can cross it by using this strike through element here. Just click on it and you can see it's cross. Okay, but the one we want to cross is not this one. You want to cross this one. All right, so we may want to swap this price. I'm just showing you how to do this anyway. So now we can strike through this one, the bigger price, and then go here, strike through it, and then we can put different color on that one by clicking this test color, and then we can put the right color right here. We can bold it. It's bold already. Okay, and this one we can make this one a little bit more bigger in price. Okay, can put like 18, so it look much better. All right, so I can copy this, paste here, and that is it really. Now if you want to duplicate, if you got another session, another product that you want to display here, you can do just simply click here to duplicate this session, and there you go for now, right? And here you can now go and change the images by clicking on the image, the product image, and then click on the three dots, and then replace image by going to your computer, and then I can now put this one just to show you an example. All right, so that's how you change your image. That's how you put price discount on your Google site. So the next thing I want to do is to add another button right here, like place order now or buy now. So I'm gonna go and copy the code again. Like I said previously, you can as well use Google button element to do that. All right, just simply need to just click on the button, then put button now, like buy now, and then select the link you want it to be. So on the that on the inside, and that is it. So but I got custom code button that I'm using for this website. All right, so I'm gonna go and copy the code, and here I'm gonna click embed code, and then paste my code, more product, and then make it smaller, and then drag it to the middle, and then here I can put something like divider as well right here, and I want to add some text right here as well. So I'm gonna double click, and then I'm gonna go and copy the text that I want to add here. I'm gonna paste the text here. So the next thing I want to do here to add another image, like display some image right here as well. So I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna click here to upload image. I want to use this one, and then put it in the middle. I'm gonna try to stretch it over. All right, make it a bit bigger. And I'm gonna put the background image. Let me use the same yellow, and that's how it's looking. I can as well put another last button right here. So I can just, instead of trying to create new button, I can just click this one, duplicate it, and then drag it to the bottom here. All right. So the last thing I want to do here is to add a footer. All right. And to do that, just click on add footer here. You can as well, depending the links that you want to put on your footer. Okay. So right here, I'm going to put something like about, and gonna stretch it. I'm gonna make it bigger, change the style, heading, no, subheading. Okay, I'm gonna bold it, and I'm gonna try to duplicate this. I'm gonna try to drag it to these columns. Okay, drag this one here. Okay, put them in the middle. Okay, in the center as well, and then move it a little bit here. And here I'm gonna try to embed on my social media icons right here. So I got some code that I need to copy. You can get some, you can get free social media icons from W3 School website, all right? Or you can get someone to do it for you on Fiverr.com. So here I come about, it can be shop, and here can be contact. You know, depending on what you want, you can write anything that you want it to be on your shop. And here I can go and get my code, and I'm gonna embed the code here. To embed the code, just double click and then click on embed code, and paste it right here. And then you can try to drag this, drag it and make it smaller. So now I want to put a background color right here. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna choose this one as well as my background. So I think we have done. So next thing I want to do here is to create some pages, right? So we got home already as a default page. So we want to create something like what we're gonna call it, let's call it shop, maybe shop, use capital letter. And you want to call another one maybe t-shirts. Another one can be maybe hoodies, and we got another one, maybe we call it like categories. And under categories, maybe we can, or t-shirt, can put t-shirt. Okay, under category we can add subcategory as well. Okay, to do that, just simply click on this three dot and add sub page, and we can call this one maybe joggers. Okay, so it's gonna be under categories now. So going back to home, now we have finished designing the home page. Now what we should do now is to preview the site to see how it's looking. All right, so you want to click on the preview icon right here, and this is exactly how it's looking on large screen, which is desktop and laptop. So this is how it's looking. As you can see, it's not that bad. Okay, if you spend more time trying to do this, you can design something cool, something amazing. All right, so this is how it's looking on a large screen on a tablet. This is how it's gonna look on a tablet. So on a mobile phone, this is how it's gonna look on a mobile phones. Okay, so now we have to go and publish the site. So click here to publish the site and then publish the site. So we're gonna go and view the website. So view it. So this is how your outside is gonna look. So now I think this is not good, so I'm gonna remove this or put it under. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back and then try to put this on the top. Okay, put it in the middle. Okay, so it's looking much better now. So I'm gonna republish again. After you make any changes, make sure you republish your site. So now I'm gonna go back and view the publish site. So this one will be under the test now. So refresh. You need to refresh the site. Okay, this is how our site is looking in real life. All right, when you preview your site, so you can see everything looking cool. So like I said, you can use this layout to sell any type of product. All right, it doesn't matter. What matters here is for you to display related product pictures right here, and that is it. All right, so now you can sell your product for free without worry about any monthly subscription, without worry about hosting or maintenance fees. So this website now is hosted for free. All right, so if you want to continue learning, you might want to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.